This is my handmade 110 scale trailer, and it has the version 2 of the remote controlled air jack. And in case you missed it, this was version 1. And the difference is that version 2 can lift a lot more weight. And today I'm going to be building the version 3 of this trailer jack, but not an air jack anymore. I'm going to be using this linear actuator, just like a lot of you guys recommended to use in the comments section. I can stick this like that and call it a day, but there is nothing interesting about that. So I have an idea to install this actuator in a better and smarter way. Stick to the end of the video and see how it turned out. I'm going to start by removing all the components that had to do with the old system. But I'm going to reuse the remote controlled modules, so the new system will also be remote controlled. And since these and the actuator can handle a 12 volt supply, I'm going to switch to 12 volts, and it's 2 of these connected in series. And after a couple of days of a trial and error, I was able to make this, which is a collection of aluminum parts and hinges. And this is basically how the jack will work when installed under the trailer. And now let's get to work. The actuator is rated to lift up to 42 pounds, and that's when installed vertically. But in the way we're going to install it, we might lose some of that power. The ground clearance is about the same compared to the old system, so I'm not too worried about that. And since I'm using the same power supply for forward and reverse of the actuator, I'm going to be using this toggle switch to direct the power between the two remote controlled modules, because it's only one motor in the actuator and I have to flip between the positive and the negative for the reverse. And now it's complete, let's test it out. Switch to the top to raise the jack. And to the bottom to lower the jack. This system is slower than the older system, but more powerful and durable.